In this video, you will learn how to generate different types of travelers for your projects in WeldTrace. Travelers are documents that can be printed and used to track welding and inspection progress on the shop floor or in the field. First, let us look at how to generate a WorkPack traveler. From a WorkPack's details page, click here to print a WorkPack file or a traveler. The files will be downloaded to your computer in the location specified in your browser settings. This is the WorkPack Traveler file. The welds will be grouped by tag and then drawing. There will be a page break between tags and drawings. Next, you can generate a tag control sheet directly from a tag's detail page. When viewing a tag's details, click the Control Sheet button located at the top right of the page. The generated tag control sheet will display the tag's specific information. The tag control sheet includes NDE settings such as visual inspection and radiographic testing percentages. It also lists the associated drawings and the planned welds for that specific tag. As an alternative to the WorkPack Traveler and Tag Control Sheet, if you need to create a custom traveler, navigate to the Welds menu to select and print a welding shop traveler. Use the search function to filter the list of welds based on drawing numbers, tags, or other criteria. You may check specific welds or select all the welds. The total number of selected welds will be displayed on the orange button at the top right of the table. Click the printing button at the bottom right of the screen to generate and download the file. The resulting welding shop traveler will display the selected welds alongside key execution details. The welding shop traveler includes the WPS number, joint type, material, and plan dates. If you need to generate QR codes for the selected welds, continue to the next step. To generate QR code labels for the selected welds, click here to create them. You have successfully learned how to generate various traveler documents in WeldTrace, including WorkPack travelers, tag control sheets, custom welding shop travelers, and QR code labels. These documents help track welding and inspection progress effectively on the shop floor or in the field.